Very nice, Bahrain, says Booger online. Right, here we go. Don't go anywhere. The first of 3 Rwandan teams that will cross that start line as the sun sets here in Dubai. They train together. They will set the benchmark for the Rwandans. Put your phone on silent. On the traverse wall, up into the attic entry. Remember, the record holders are Rwanda SWAT Team 1, Peace Team 1, 346 last year, that's the target. Listen to the support. Over the football, they've all got to touch the bell. Here we go, he's locked in. The man at the bottom was already up and on him before he'd even got his arms under that yellow bar. That's how you do it. Balance beam must touch the yellow painted ends of that balance beam. Make it look so easy. Monkey bars, ninja boards, the sand pit, the cargo net being dispatched with ease. Over the top of that cargo net. They have to climb up and climb down. They're not allowed to throw themselves over the cargo net. Remember, the fastest time so far today, Uzbek police, 4 minutes flat. We've done 2 minutes here with the Defence Force of Rwanda. There's 1 across, 2 across, 3 across. 2 still to go. Was it 3 still to go? Yeah, there's 3 still to go. There's 2 of them that are on that barrel at the moment. There you go, 1 remaining. His colleagues are cracking on and not hanging around. There we go. They make it look easy. Fireman's Tower. Look at them go. Traverse rope. Is he the first? This is going to be tight. Will they cross the line quicker than the Uzbek police? I'm not so sure. They've got a lot to do inside 30 seconds. Irish table, and look at them cheering. They're going to miss out on that 4-minute mark of the police of Uzbekistan, but I think this will still be the second quickest time today. Over the wooden wall. And a sprint across the finish line to stop the clock in 4 minutes 20 flat. Defence force of Rwanda lay down the benchmark for the two remaining teams still to come from Rwanda.
UAE National Guard, they are all to start now.
Now it's the turn of the UAE National Guard A team. The B team went round in 7:38.4. That's their benchmark for today. Did you enjoy that? As a little warm-up for what's to come from the Rwandans. Here he says, is it okay to use gloves for this challenge? Yes. It's all personal preference. Some find them a little bit cumbersome, especially when they get wet. Dushi says, this is the day of great things and great times for Rwanda. Well, we're going to find out. Like I said, Rwandan police went round in 3:46.2 last year, fastest time record. I'm saying only 14 seconds quicker than Uzbek police in their flat 4 minutes this year. I'll be staggered, absolutely staggered if they hit that 3.5-minute mark. But to do that, they're going to have to shave 15 seconds, 16 seconds off their time from last year. He's opting for face up rather than face down. Joanna from Rio de Janeiro says, let's go Brazil. Joanna, sorry to tell you, Brazil's already gone. POPE went round at 8:27, COT went round at 9:21, which they'll be happy with. The reason being that they were DNF last year. That's more like it. That's what I call really rousing music for the UAE National Guards. A bit more upbeat as they are on the barrel roll. These Rwandan boys are so crazy. What you're watching now is obviously not the Rwandan boys, but yeah, they did just go, the defence force of Rwanda. Justine says, oh no, I missed my Rwanda team. No, you've only missed one of them, Justine. 2 more still to come. 71, I think, in the draw is the next one, and we are currently at 66 in the draw. One more remaining on the barrel roll from the UAE National Guard A. I think the biggest challenge for a record being broken today will probably be the climate. It's been a much hotter day today than it was on the final day last year. And I think we reached, was it 30 degrees centigrade at one point? And that does make a difference to the times. for the next of the Rwandan teams. Rwanda SWAT Team 2's, like I said, 71 at the draw. I believe I'll just confirm that in a second. Yes, SWAT Team 2 of Rwanda. Rwanda National Police 71. And then they will be followed by the Special Task Force.
3 members of National Guard of UAE.
Says, how on earth did the Uzbek police get this done in 4 minutes flat? Did you see them? By being good and quick is the answer. Over the wall and a jog across the line. This is a very good time from the National Guard A team of the UAE, 5:39.7. Comfortably quicker than their colleagues of the B team, they're 7:38. And there you see the temperatures dropped a little bit, but not by much, 28 degrees centigrade.